Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with an LG air conditioner displaying the error code CH38, you're in the right place. This error is common in 2025 models and can be a real headache during hot summer days, but don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means and how to fix it step by step. First off, let's break down what error code CH38 actually is. In LG air conditioners, CH38 typically signals a communication error between the indoor and outdoor units. This could be due to wiring issues, a faulty sensor, or even problems with the power supply. It's your AC's way of saying, hey, something's not connecting properly. Now, before you call a technician, there are a few things you can try at home. Start by turning off the unit at the circuit breaker and waiting about 5 minutes before turning it back on. This simple reset can often clear temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, check the wiring connections between the indoor and outdoor units. Make sure everything is securely plugged in and not damaged. Dust and debris can also cause issues, so grab a soft cloth and gently clean the filters and sensors. Another potential cause is a low refrigerant level, which might require professional help, but you can inspect for any visible leaks around the unit. Remember, safety first, always unplug the device before handling any parts. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, it's best to contact a certified technician to avoid any risks. In some cases, a software update might be needed for your 2025 model, so check LG's official website for firmware updates. To prevent this error in the future, regularly maintain your AC by cleaning filters monthly and scheduling annual professional inspections. There you have it, your guide to tackling LG error code CH38. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay cool, and we'll see you in the next video.